Hey there, looking to jazz up that holiday table without that greasy deli, fried chips, and high-calorie cream dips? Want to feel good about what you're putting on that holiday table for your friends and family, and know that you won't be derailing your health and weight loss goals doing it? Well, look no further, because in this video, I'll be creating an easy and delicious charcuterie board just in time for the holidays, which can easily align with your health and wellness goals and is sure to be a hit. Hi, I'm Vula Manusos, registered and licensed dietitian, and I help women manage their weight peacefully with a holistic, non-diet, mindful approach. Now, who says the holidays are prime time for gaining weight? Well, they really don't have to be if you're including fun and delicious foods on your table that won't derail your weight loss goals. So today I'll be creating a holiday charcuterie board that's brimming with fresh veggies, fruits, nuts, and a pumpkin dip that's absolutely to die for. This pumpkin dip is full of heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber, and pairs beautifully with seeded crackers, fruits, and vegetables that are included on this board. The figs we're including are super festive, so make sure to make it a point to pick those up as well. Now, if you feel like you're wanting to change the components on that board, please feel free to do so. I would recommend adding pomegranate arils, persimmons, and pumpkin seeds for something absolutely different and festive. You can use broccoli instead of cauliflower, or any other type of hearty vegetable to pick up that delicious pumpkin dip. Anyone can do this. You just need a little bit of a plan, a board, and these awesome ingredients to make it happen. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. This channel is jam-packed with valuable content that is tailored just for you, and again, I don't want you to miss any of it. So now, join me in the kitchen and let's create this festive charcuterie board. Now, wasn't that incredible? Simple, elegant, delicious, and something on that lighter side before that big Thanksgiving or holiday meal. Now, this is just what the doctor ordered, a platter that is brimming with good-for-you ingredients that will hopefully keep you a bit more satisfied and mindful about the choices you're about to make next at the holiday table. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you want more insight on how to make more mindful food and meal choices this holiday season, be sure to drop in the description below and pick up my free PDF titled Mindful Eating Journal and Prompts. And start journaling your way to better health and a manageable weight today. And if you've enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and share it with someone that would love to make this simple and festive board. Now, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.